Anake harebo tu habelo malo ulseni mannika waqati ulseni
Askol nujinatai Nor
malo nyata dugati fidafi keessummaadhaaf
Eskindir Tamiru is one of the Oromo artists famous by the single song titled Jalkabi SHILLALAA recent around 5 months. At the all the Oromo music industries developed in this second term. The other songs by this Eskindir coming soon by GADHITTI. In 1962, when it was still illegal to sing in the Oromo language, one of the most widely spoken languages in all of Africa, a small group of activists risked persecution by forming the first ever Oromo music band, in Dire Dawa, a bustling city in eastern Oromia, Ethiopia. Afan Kallo, whose historical name derives from the collective reference to 4 of Kallo's sons, Allah, Babel, Dagat and Abora, soon struck the chord with locals when the troupe began performing cultural songs at weddings and holidays, often hidden from the watchful eyes of government officials. At the time, in the city of Dire Dawa, the Somalis, Amharas and Hararis had their own music bands, but the Oromo did not. Whenever there was a need for wedding celebration, Oromo families had to either pay for the Somali or Harari musical bands because generally, in those days, the Amhara bands did not deal well with the Oromo and did not have any respect for our people, said Dr. Mohammed Hassan, a professor of history at Georgia State University. It was the absence of any cultural space for the Oromo which inspired Oromo individuals to form an organization and create a musical space for themselves. Initially, 4 musical bands emerged almost simultaneously in different neighborhoods of